Starting a YouTube channel, I got some lessons you need to know before you hit that upload button. Trust me, avoiding these mistakes can save you time, frustration, and a whole lot of second guessing. Let's dive into what I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. Hey there, I'm Lydia and welcome to Marketing Your Niche. I'm here to help people and also aspiring entrepreneurs and also creators like you find your niche, monetize it, and build an online presence, whether it's starting a YouTube channel or maybe it's launching an online business. Today I want to take you behind the scenes of my own journey as a brand new YouTube creator. Starting this channel has been an exciting ride for me, but let me tell you something, it's also been a major learning curve and also experience. I made mistakes, learned valuable lessons, and figure out what works and what doesn't along the way. If you are in the same boat, thinking how to start your YouTube channel or just beginning your journey, this video is for you. I will share what I wish I knew before starting on YouTube so you could skip the frustration, save time, and set yourself up for success from the start. And if you are serious about growing your channel, hit the subscribe button below. I will be documenting my journey every step of the way and also the process to help us grow together. Now let's dive in. Lesson number 1. Don't wait for perfect. Just start. One of the biggest roadblocks for me and probably for many of you was feeling like I need everything to be perfect before I even started. I thought that I need to have the latest camera, the best editing software, and perfectly polished ideas. Perfect everything. But guess what? You don't. I spent weeks, I'm telling you, researching for equipment, watching endless reviews about all kinds of equipment parts, and convincing myself that my phone wasn't good enough. Sounds familiar to you? Maybe yes. The truth is that my phone was perfectly capable of recording great videos. That delay, completely unnecessary. So here is the thing. Your first videos won't be perfect. Mine certainly weren't, and that's okay. You learn by doing. The more videos you make, the better you will get of them. Process beats perfection every single time. So here is the tip. Start with what you have. Use your smartphone, free editing tools like CapCut or iMovie, and focus on delivering value. I started by using free editing software that were super easy to use. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to share or also elaborate on those video editing softwares that I used at the beginning, so it will help you down the road. Your audience isn't looking for Hollywood level production. They are looking for content that helps them, inspires them, and also entertains them. Why not? Let me know in the comments what is holding you back from starting your YouTube channel. I would love to hear about it, and also I want to help you. Lesson number 2. Plan your content ahead of the time. When I started, I didn't realize how much easier things would be if I planned my content ahead of the time. Let me tell you something. You have to batch it. You have to plan, because this is a game changer. Imagine waking up every week scrambling to figure out what video to make. That's stressful and is unsustainable. You are on the hamster wheel every single time. You are frustrated because you don't feel recording, or maybe you don't have anything planned and you have other things to do. Probably you have a full-time job, you have family and kids. It is totally understandable. Now that I mapped out my first 10 days of videos and I made a huge progress, that is making a difference too in staying consistent and focused. Here is how you could do that. Set aside time to brainstorm video ideas. Think about your niche and what your audience needs help with. Use tools like Notion, Trello, or even a simple notebook to organize your ideas. Write basic outlines or scripts for your videos in advance so you are not starting from scratch every single time. Having a clear plan takes the guesswork out of creating and helps you stay consistent, which is a key to YouTube success. Lesson number 3. Focus on value, not the views, okay? I'll be honest with you, it's easy to get caught in chasing views every single time, especially when you are starting out. You might think, I need to go viral to grow. But here is the truth. Building a loyal audience is far more valuable than chasing trends and views. When I shifted my focus to creating videos that solve problems and answer questions for my audience, I started to see real engagement. It's not about trying to copy what's trending. Instead, you have to ask yourself, what does my audience need? Your content should be about them, not about you. When you focus on providing value, people will naturally connect with your videos and keep coming back for more. Lesson number 4. Your thumbnail and title are everything, are a game changer. Let me tell you something. Your thumbnail can make or break your video. You might have the most amazing content, but if the thumbnail doesn't grab attention or your title isn't clickable, people won't click. For one of my early videos, I created a thumbnail in a rush and I thought, it's fine, that is perfectly fine. But guess what? Was not fine. The clicks were low and I had to go back and redesign the thumbnail. When I did it, my views went up by 30%. Here is the formula for success that I could tell you. Use bright colors and bold text in your thumbnails. Tools like Canva are amazing for this. For titles, think about what you will make other people click. Use powerful words like ultimate, secret, or how to. Make it clear and curiosity driven. Spending a little bit of extra time on thumbnails and titles is worth it. It's the first thing people see and is determine them whether they want to watch your video. Lesson number 5. Consistency is the real secret. When I started my channel, I knew that consistency was super important, but I didn't realize just how crucial it is. Growing on YouTube isn't a sprint, it is a marathon. YouTube rewards creators who show up regularly. When you post consistently, you build trust with your audience and also the algorithm starts to favor your channel. But consistency doesn't mean that you have to post every single day. It means sticking to a schedule you can realistically maintain. For me, I'm going all in and I'm trying to upload 3 times a week right now because I want to see what algorithm will do and how the channel will grow. But if once a week works for you better, then that is totally fine. The key is to pick a schedule and stick with it. Your audience and YouTube will notice that. These are just a few things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. If I could leave you with one piece of advice, is this: just start. Just start. Don't overthink. Take action. Learn how to go, and also stay consistent. Starting a YouTube channel is a journey, and every step will bring you closer to your goals. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, delivering value, and growing one video at a time. If you want to know how to start from scratch as I did, I put together a video that you don't want to miss out, and also I encourage you to watch the next video called How I'm Starting My YouTube Channel from Scratch. I share even more tips to help you launch your channel right away. Click here to watch it now and keep the momentum going. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone that is interested to start a YouTube channel, is thinking of starting right away. And if you are just getting started, let's connect, drop a comment, and also tell me what is your biggest YouTube challenge. I would love to help you, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Let's grow together.